bear.
Gandu bear.
Ato bear.
Gandu bear.
Anatu.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Hello guys, welcome back to Jason Tori. Kanchan la kan lo lom le effect chawa. Chuan in vo in chu Lilly nen hi video kan sel kan hairstyle te tang kan vela tero nice right. Lilly nen hianin Lilly hi kan inariak dona, she's gonna spend time with us tonight with me particular right. She's gonna sleep and stay with me. Zaina han kabulariak dona I hey anni chu lau hun mang hun na in thak thina kha za in chu kabula hun mang dona vo ina chuanin a he lau amati hlimna pakhat ni do si in how well I know Lilly ti kan play dona. What was the game we're gonna play? How well Antipui know Lilly, right?
Yeah.
So Lilly gonna ask me any question. Lilly in adudu question minon zo tanga, so I have to answer. But I'm gonna write down the point if I am wrong. Oh my god. Cause han di marks what was how many questions you have? 11, right?
Yeah.
Question som pakhada na ya chuanin som pakhada na ya ta khanin 11 a khanin 8 tel ka 8% tel ka chan tling lo kha chuan 8 thleng ka chan tel ki ka shat lo chuanin zang khwa in games ka khel pui ngai ma se games ka khel pe lo ta ma chu kan challenge nia chuanin okay, we're gonna start. You can ask me your first question like
Okay.
oh, you want to say your name by yourself in Mizo? Say.
Me too, Lilly.
Oh, thiam to good bang. Very good. Okay, ask me any questions. Minzo role question do ka.
What is my favorite color?
Okay, you have to say in Mizo.
Inge.
Ka favorite color. If favorite color too, give me option. Hin pela.
Blue, pink, and green.
So you telling me 3 things, right?
3.
Pathum min shila tuna hianin. What did you say? Engmoy soy ka?
Blue, pink, and green.
I think it's blue because blue is my favorite color. Blue ni ring the favorite color niya. Ano is it?
Yeah.
I'm smart, so I got 1 point. Okay, what about next question? Next, let's so minzo drole.
What is my favorite food?
Favorite food? Mizo tungin so yang. Oh, you have to say mizo. Inge. Ka favorite? Cho. Yeah.
Okay.
Option nin pela. Enter na example.
Popcorn, tacos, or chips and cheese.
I know you love popcorn. Popcorn na duty po kasi tawa. Masi tacos po duty kasi tawa. Food hi dulu ngal to masi kanina local pihan chips le GCAV. So I think it's chips and cheese. Am I right?
Yeah, you're correct.
Say adik.
Adik.
You're gonna clap hand all the time, okay?
Okay.
Every time I say right, you have to clap your hand. Okay, to na chuanin next question na angkal le to ang Lilly le number pathum na zero le number 3 na.
What is my favorite person?
Tunge
Tunge.
ka favorite mishing kaduber tunge khovela kaduber tiang ni me tunge khovela kaduber. Okay, let me think. Kan ngai to alo kang o Lilly. Let me think, okay? Option nin pela example lang ka.
You or
Okay. True na. Number 2 na. Ngai to aray box.
Uncle Tori
Okay.
or the cat.
The cat?
Yeah.
Maybe cat.
No.
Wrong? Or what was Inge dikzok? What is the answer? Inge answer dikzok.
Anti-play.
I was wrong, so I lost 1 point. Minus. And then number 4 na. I lost 1 point. Number 4 na le. Antipui ka do. Better
Who
tini ha.
is my favorite YouTuber?
Tunge. Say tunge.
Tunge.
Ka favorite
Favorite
YouTuber.
YouTuber.
Option min pela. Option timela. Example mo. So ila. Number katung.
Jess and Tori
Okay.
and Brianna and Preston
Okay.
or Unspeakable.
Unspeakable. I know you love those Unspeakable, and I know your sister and all used to watch, right? Inatin entry na so kay mami favorite to so sila wa yung kontiang oh tingin rin and so ito what do you guys think? I want to know too, but I'm afraid to be wrong. But I would say maybe what was the last one? Atober I say.
Unspeakable.
Unspeakable niyang. Is it Unspeakable?
Yeah, it's Unspeakable. It's called Unspeakable.
So no, I mean, is it right or wrong? Adik niya diklo.
It's wrong.
Answer zero. Ingi answer.
It was you.
What was my channel name? Oh my god, I didn't know that.
Jess and Tori.
Oh my god, you make me happy, but I'm sad. Intingi answer ka kasi alaw so oh my god, so that means I'm your favorite. Favorite ka nimo, Lily. Oh, thank you. Mwah, I love you.
Me too.
Okay, so I'm wrong again.
Okay. What is my favorite shoe?
Say again, what is my favorite shoe?
What is my favorite shoe?
What is my favorite shoe, tia? Ingi ka favorite. Ingi
Inge.
ka favorite.
Favorite.
Peacock.
Peacock.
Yay! You're the second. Option, Bimperole. Give me option.
Tennis shoes. Boots. Or
One more. Pakatang lamle.
top shoes.
Not different. I think you like
Top
ang angli ang
top
lapo ko
shoe-
siya law
Top
masika
shoes
race
is
to
where
sa
you-
ring
there's a
dick.
shoe.
Siya miya
Then you
lang.
have to tap.
So, okay.
So like you do this.
Okay, I
Taps for
see,
you.
I see. So, I got
Yeah.
the point now, right?
Yeah.
Number pa Sarina le.
Do I love school?
School.
Yeah.
School, say.
School.
Kangay.
Kane.
Naim.
9.
School ka ngayon na matia no pang tam takyan school ngayon na law china masi Lily te unaw hiyan ni VM kasi may alawa to bangin can you give me like
Hence.
but there's no hints though.
I can tell you what I love about school.
School ka duchan kan say ngeti ni so tell.
Math, reading, or PE.
So I would say you love school, am I right?
Yeah.
Okay,
My most
number
favorite
1.
thing in school is math.
Oh, school ka subject ka nom ka tiber to mathematics sa tini. You can say in mizo to them. Tell them like school ka favorite subject to
Subject to
mathematics.
mathematics.
Yeah, it's same like math. We say mathematics. It's a full form. You will come to know once you grow up. So, okay, number 8 na. So le number paret na.
Do you think I will go to India?
I will what say again? So ilero.
Do you think I
Wanna go to
yeah.
You wanna go to India?
Yeah.
India
India
kakaldu iringem.
Kaganoon
Kakaldu
Kagadaru
iringem.
Inga
Ringem le kaldu India kang kakaldu iringem matya minso tani so do you wanna know my answer? Ikaldu ti kasya. I know you wanna go.
I do.
Is it correct? Say loudly there and say adik.
Adik.
Adik lutok.
Adik.
So I got another point. Number 9. Napakwa na.
What is my favorite animal?
Inge.
Inga.
Ka favorite
animal.
animal. soila nang man I objective sub in lang kan dili lang.
Lion, bear, or monkey.
Lion. Number 1 is lion.
Bear
Number
and
2 is
monkey.
bear and monkey. I think you like a lot bear.
No.
Monkey?
No.
Lion. So I'm wrong because I guess all and then they say lion sa kaybak ni kakadu bear at mo say I love.
I love.
No, you say sa kaybak ni
Sungkumpane.
kadu bear.
Kambukle.
Kadu bear.
Kandu bear.
Sa kaybak ni du bear so I got 0. Som na. Ito na sabi.
What is my favorite hair
color?
color?
Okay, ang ka favorite color tia Lily kan ito na kan. If favorite color too, give me hint. I don't know.
Green. Pink.
On hair, right? Favorite
Yeah.
color on hair. Oh, favorite color samrong du ber ni so samrong du.
Green, pink, or purple.
I think you like pink.
Correct.
Pink kaniyem. Adikem? Dik mo? Yay! Say adike!
Adika.
Duklotok! I love you. Okay. So, anin, mark, 1 mark ka mo. Oh, 1 number point pakat. 11, so pakat na. Hey, to, ber na tura niya. Pero, say, hey, say to them. Hey,
Hey,
ato, bear.
kandu bear.
Ato, bear.
Kandu bear.
Anatura. Anya.
And
I love you. Okay, we're gonna see what you are looking. Okay, tell me.
what do I like to wear the most?
Inge,
Enge,
katomno,
katumo,
hakshot,
hot shot,
daw te.
katukte.
Cute tay mo. Katomno hak du daw chinte tia. Okay, you're gonna give me a hint because I know you never wear a girly stuff, right?
No, not really.
May no hang I bak lili tu number 1.
Do you like t-shirts, tank tops, or do I like long sleeves?
Kurban tlon nge t-shirt nge korching daw ka ngay na tatya. Okay, you're gonna give me t-shirt. Say t-shirt. T-shirt.
Tank top.
No. And then long sleeve, right?
Yeah, long sleeve.
Chu korban tlon nge korban korching ting nge kadu tya. Lili chuan in may chitom no ngay na lawa chu wangin. You always like t-shirt. I know that one. Lily chu princess daw hey ilal FANU daw nga no pang may chan chay ngay na velo pa daw in chay ngay na chon basketball te po ngay na football te po khel chin, right? You love basketball. Sometime I saw you were there also, right? Lily hian in hey Lily hian soitur nei ve tap mea soitur te soi se mizo tong kanon letanga. After you say it, I will translate in mizo, okay? So you can say whatever you want to say to the people who watch us.
Okay.
Say it.
Thanks for being subscribing for us and being kind, and please subscribe and share our videos.
Kan channel te in lau subscribe china kan lom ma chuanin lau subscribe ula lau share zel ra uti khagaro aron ngen chawa chuanin I also you want to say also like people were talking about you, talking about your siblings, and you want to say thank you to them, right? Like in comment song song te ka shil china lom thua soi ve do rom bul tran dan shela wa chun chula no panga ma say I think she wanna say it, right?
Okay.
Like you can say like kan phwa sak mai nga soi dan tur like
Thank you for saying
all the nice things about us, yeah.
Yeah,
kan
my siblings.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
me.
Kay mate kanaw te chungchang nal tak ka comment sa atin law soi china wa hang ka lom no to kani aron ti ni kha chuanin in next video kan mule don ne ka tiang mizo tong kan soyang next video kan mule kan in mule donya kan mangai vek cheu flankis bye bye.